Pisces, kamusta po ang mga Pisces people? OFW, Piscean, August 8 to 14 po ang ating reading. Welcome sa aking YouTube channel, Scorp's Work Tarot. Parang hirap, kasi maski na ako nahihirapan. Weekend ko lang po ginagawa yung aking tarot reading, OFW din po ako. So, today is Sunday. Nagsimba na kayo? So, yes, Sunday. Later, ano bang gagawin ko? Nakapagkukunin ko yung laundry. Nakapaglaban na ako. Pisces, August 8 to 14. Tignan natin ang energy mo. Masaya na siya. Masaya, happy. A lot of mula. Happy children. You can send your children to school. Nice school. That's love. That's good. That's great. Sana all. Yan ang gusto ng mga OFW to provide. Yes. Ano pa bang hihingin mo? Kumbaga sa yung stocks mo, meron kang 10 stocks, bumaba ng konti yung dalawa, pero ang suma total, mataas pa rin yung iba. Ayan ang message mo, Pisces. So, fulfilled ka. Wala kang problema. Ano pa yung gusto mo? Gusto mo pa magpayaman? Yeah, go ahead. Marami kang kaibigan? Yes. Practical ka? Makunat ka sa pera? Yes, that's how it is. Pinaghirapan mo yan eh. At meron ka na namang gustong gawin na pagkakakitaan. You want to be a star? Gusto mo magtayo ng YouTube channel? Or gusto mo maging social influencer, or you want to connect to a higher purpose. Okay, I think I know where it is. Ito yung mga success, nasa pinnacle of their career sa Pisces. Okay, Pisces, August 8 to 14. Not pinnacle. Some of you you just having You have it. Nasa top of the world ka, oh. Ano mo na yung cycle ng life from beginning, and then nasa end ka. The end. It's a new cycle again for you to embark. Ganun lang naman yun eh. Tama po ba? Pisces. Who doesn't like that, Pisces? Sana all. Everybody's going through that stage. Everybody. That's something that you cannot run away from. Pisces, August 8 to 14. Pisces. Tingnan natin yung storyline ni Pisces. Where parang binigay niya lahat ng story. Wala na akong hahanapin pa in between eh. Ano pa ba yung ang tanong ko na lang, ano pa ba yung wini-wish mo na yan? Ano pa ba yung kulang na yan? Hindi ko masabing kulang eh. But you want to venture out to something. You want to venture out to something. Nag-alchemy ka na naman eh. I call that the alchemy. Anything that is not on the 3D level. Okay, these are on the 3D level. Anything that's practical, that's on the realm of the reality. Anything that is on the abstract level, that's something that we are manifesting. Oops, that's how the universe works. Tama po ba? So if kaya tayo nag-abroad, that's a practical side. You want to get more money and build a family. Tama po ba? And you started in a dream. It all started in a dream, but that dream has a price, has a presyo to pay. Tama po ba? Nagbayad ka ng mga kung ano-anong isinanla mo, di ba? That's the reality that you can't escape. August 8 to 14, Pisces. Ano yung ina-alchemy mo na naman? You're already on top of the world. Sana all. Sana all. Yan ang gusto ng mga tao. Yan ang gusto ng mga OFW. So, see, kaya sabi ko, nakaka-relate din po ako eh. Kasama po natin yan. Ay, oh, ayaw na magbigay ng baraha. Parang sinabi na yatang wag ko na ituloy. Ayaw mo na bang ituloy ko yung reading mo, Pisces? Kasi nasa top of the world ka na eh. Ano pa ba yung gusto mo? August 8 to 14. Is it only on your mindset? O wini-wish fulfill mo pa lang yun? Ano pa ba yung hinihintay mo? Ano pa yung hinihintay mo? Ano yung darating pa kay Pisces? Pisces. Give me something. Tarot card. Give me something. Tingnan natin yung storyline. Are you getting married sa isang foreigner? Yan na yung sagot niyan. August 8 to 14. August 8 to 14. August 8, hindi ko kukunin to. Okay. Tingnan natin. August 8 to 14. Are you getting married? Meron kang nakilala. Tingnan natin to. Okay. Okay, something is missing. Okay, something is missing. Bakit ganun talaga, no? Bakit ganun? Minsan the universe is playing tricks also. Is that what lacking on you? Okay, I feel the sense of lack here. Okay, despite that, pasensya. Napabuntong hininga pa ba ako, Pisces? Yeah, kasi nagugutom na ako, sorry. Alas 12 na pala dito sa time zone ko. Okay, so, hinihintay mo ba yung partnership na yan, yung boyfriend or girlfriend is waiting for to drop that will you marry me kind of thing, because para kang naging sandalan emotionally. Okay, nakita ko na yung istorya. Okay, you want to be the star now after being the provider for everything. Okay, you haven't felt that sense of being a star. It requires you. It's not easy to be on the top of the game, on top of the world. You are a star on somebody's eyes, but you're not a star in somebody's emotion, in your heart space. Yes. Okay, that's the storyline here, Pisces. You, sana all in the terms of your financial, business, career, etc. That's the 3D reality. But on the emotional space, you lack that star feeling. You could have everything, but you don't have it because that emotional space. Okay, that's how it is. You have the duality here. Are you with somebody, a Leo, or somebody who is a fire sign? A fire sign, Sagittarius, Leo. What's another one for a fire sign? Aquarius. Sorry. Capricorn. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, ano ko na lang to ano ko para akong lumutang. So, okay, that heart space of yours, that's what you want to have that star feeling. You want to You want to connect to your I think you need to give yourself some space here. I don't see anything dramatic or big. You're very realistic and very pragmatic, very practical, very hard, level-headed type of person, Pisces. But that emotional vacuum sometimes is starting to kick in. Yeah, it's starting to kick in, and it's draining you somehow. It's not a sleepless night. It's part of the day-to-day living, and that heart space of yours. Unless, so for somebody else, are you being courted, or I don't see there is a new beginning here. That's something beautiful. You're on top of the world. It can work both ways, okay? You have the after the all this energy and the effort that you've gone through being a a a, a, a doormat. Wow, wag na, hindi naman doormat, kundi ano lang, yung mga tipong you work hard for that relationship, you finally found that somebody and would give you that emotional fulfillment, because you work hard for that everything, your success and foundation of everything. Another one is the ending. It ends there. Yung suffering, I don't want to call it suffering, and now you are on that star mode. Your wish fulfillment is there, na complete mo na siya. The other one is you are waiting for that cycle, and you're still going through that dilemma. So you can find that somebody who will make you feel star, or you're already in a situation of a relationship, you don't feel it. It three ways pala ito. Okay, if you're in a situation and then ikaw yung breadwinner and everything, but you don't feel that, you feel empty because you're just faking it. Kaya sa duality dito eh. And you are surrounded with people who are, yung dynamics ng people surrounding you in the family, it can be, I think it's more on the family, not on the issue. Well, office can be a family, part of your family thing. Agree? Mas matagal yung tinatambay natin sa opisina kaysa sa bahay. So the dynamics of your office environment also, you don't feel that you were valued. You want to be the star. The same also within your, dalihin mo yung setting na yan sa environment sa office, sa bahay, it's gonna be the same thing. Ikaw yung nagtatrabaho palagi, ikaw yung nagpo-photocopy, minsan ikaw yung naglinis ng bintana, or nag-fumigate ng mga insecticide, but you feel undervalued. Or, natapos mo na yung cycle, now you are the star, after all the effort, pag-fumigate, paglinis, pag-photocopy, you have gained the final recognition. And you've been working for that for years. Itikinikim-kim mo lang siya. Hindi ka nag-look ng attention. Now, it's time for you to shine. Yes, okay. Yeah. That's the whole scenario story telling here. But it always come to the end. Okay? Yung paghihirap na yon, it's always have the ending, and you're already on that ending stage. The cycle is completed, Pisces. Yeah, it's lovely, very practical, very 3D. 3D ito eh. Nangyayari yan sa sa pang-araw-araw. Okay, Pisces. So August 8 to 14 ang reading na ito. So have a great week to you. See you again.